Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel and happy Toyota Pickup Monday. I'm so excited about this truck. I have been eagerly counting down the days till we got this one here in service and ready, and the day has finally come. This is a 92 extra cab V6 four-wheel drive pickup, 3-owner truck out of Southern California, and this thing is just freaking awesome. As original as they come. All original paint except the bed sides. It has had both of the bed sides painted. They look great, no damage, no Bondo or anything, but the bed sides have been painted. Everything else, tailgate and then cab forward, everything is all original paint. Still has the original decals. Every VIN sticker is still there. Paint is laser straight, you guys. This thing is just awesome. Original bumper, grille, headlights, no road rash, no paint chips on the hood. This thing is just so stinking clean. Chrome bumper is in awesome shape. No dimples, no dents. Brand new Firestone tires all the way around. Wheels are in great shape. Got the locking hubs. The frame, you guys, I'll go over it in more detail at the end of the video. Just unreal clean underneath. This thing is just freaking awesome. All the original decals. I thought about pulling them off. They're a little weathered, but you know what? It's just, I don't know, adds to the patina, we'll call it, of the truck. I just love it. It's so hard to get these anymore with original decals on them, and it's pretty freaking cool that it still has them there. Now let's talk about this awesome Stockland shell. If you want to talk about period correct, that is period correct. I thought about taking it off, and then I thought, you know what, I've got to leave this. At the very worst, it's a free shell for somebody. The next guy can take it off if they don't like it. But you know what, it just kind of matches the truck. So left the shell there for the next guy. The paint, you guys, is such good shape. In such good shape. Still has the original stickers on the tailgate. Got the original sticker there behind the license plate. It's so clean underneath. The body is just straight as can be. We just did all the big service work on this, you guys. Timing belt, water pump, serpentine belt, spark plugs, wires, everything. The full tune-up just got done. Paint is in awesome shape, you guys. It's not faded, it's all there, the clear's there. This thing is just like freaking awesome. Love this truck. I was so excited. I bought this and two others 2 weeks ago. So I've got a couple of a 91, a 92, and a 94 Toyota pickup on the lot or coming. Pretty awesome to be able to find those that in this good a shape, that kind of close together. That doesn't happen very often. So very excited to get these. I've got such an awesome selection of older lower mile pickups and Tacomas right now. And this one is just awesome, you guys. It is so clean. So I'm going to pull it up into the shade here so we can go see the inside a little bit better with all the shadows. So let's go have a look-see at the inside. All right, you guys, here is the interior of our beauty, of our little 91 here. Blue interior, and it is in stunning condition. This is all original upholstery, original foam, original vinyl, original carpets. It has 3 pedals, and I mean, it is just like next level clean, you guys. This truck is just awesome. Has a little piece from the air conditioning vents there, blows out. Where the seats bolt to the floor, everything, you guys. Just look at how clean this thing is. This one actually has the 3 seat belts in front, and it's got your little fold down armrest there. Very 80s feel here. 102, 729 on the miles. I think I said a 91. This is a 92. My apologies. Blue steering wheel. Steering wheel's still in really good shape. You've got a little bit of smoothness here from over time, but not bad. You can still kind of see the graining underneath it. Still, it's very, very clean. And no cuts, no cracks, anything like that. All the gauges, everything worked great. AC blows ice cold. All the functions work. Blend doors, everything works just like it's supposed to. Got the pull-out cup holders, they're still there. And this is the best part, you guys. It's a 5-speed. And just look at the carpet. Just look at everything on this, how stinking clean it is. It is so nice. Original AM, FM stereo. Back here in the back, you guys, same story. I mean, just look at these carpets. They are so clean. Underneath the seat, all these little spots, you know, where everything's usually gross and nasty, you guys, it is just like next level clean. And I did just do a 360 with my arm, in case you're wondering. That was very impressive from where I'm standing. The 2 seat belts in the back, same story, original upholstery. Underneath here, we've got our spare tire tools. Jack is over on the other side. Even this brakes on everything. That is not broken, which is awesome. Those are always broken on these. Sliding rear window, headliners in perfect shape. Back of the seats, same story. We'll go around here. Now, I thought about taking the shell off because it's a little grandpa, but at the same time, I thought, you know what, this is like a 30-year-old shell. I'm just gonna leave it because it's period correct. Let the next guy take it off if he doesn't want it. But I thought it was kind of cool, so I left the shell be. Still has one floor mat. Unfortunately, I didn't get the driver's side one. It only came with the passenger one, but it was still in really good condition, so I left it in here for the next guy. Got the factory drop-in bed liner. If there's room for it, we need to take those struts back too, FYI. Actually, leave those there. I'm gonna put them in a bin. Never mind. Awesome shape here, you guys. The passenger seat is like phenomenal. So this is all original, like all original. Carpets are just, they're like insane. I mean, yeah, they're awesome. I need to quit just saying that over and over again, but I'm almost like even impressing myself as I go through here and look at it. Dashboard, everything, you guys, no cracks at all. It's in awesome shape. I bought another one the same week as this truck that has a cracked dash, but not this one. It's got both the original sun visors. This one still has all the the inserts and everything in there, which is pretty cool. For the 4-wheel drive, it shows you how to grease the U-joints on the driveline. And then back here, you guys, same story. It is just so stinking clean. Just freaking awesome. Underneath here, we've got the jack for the spare tire. Bottle jack. I don't even know if it's ever been out of the truck. All the panels, everything on the interior of this truck is in amazing condition. It's never been smoked in, no weird smells. And underneath the hood, we of course have the world famous 3VZE 3-liter electronically fuel injected V6. Has your typical little Toyota valve tick. And this thing runs and drives awesome, you guys. We just got done servicing it. New plugs, new wires, new factory timing belt and factory water pump, tensioners, pulleys, new serpentine belts, the whole works. So this one just got the mega once over and got all the big service work done. No rust or corrosion in the interior or in the engine compartment. Very clean truck. New battery. Still has the hood insulation. Original VIN stickers. Original VIN stickers on every panel. Very cool. And then underneath, you guys, this truck is just so awesome. Obviously, I buy my vehicles in Southern California for this reason. You know, no rust, no corrosion. Just so clean. Still has the original fender guards there in place, which is so cool. Tires are brand new all the way around. This is one of my favorite parts right here. Still has the original stamp on the side of the frame, which is so cool. But this thing is just so clean underneath, you guys. Brand new Bilstein shocks all the way around. Wheels are in terrific condition. You can see how nice and clean the frame is. Still has the stamps on the springs. Matching spare. Still has the original stamp back here behind the license plate, or original sticker there. Stamp there on that leaf spring too. But this thing is, it is just so clean, you guys. There's the stamp on this side, so it still has those original stamps on both sides of the frame. And my favorite part, look at that. Look how clean that engraving is still on the frame number. I love it. This thing is just next level. This is the beauty of a California truck, you guys. This is why I pay the big money for this stuff out of California, because they look like this still. 30 years later, they still look like this. So there you go, you guys. That is my gorgeous 92 white over blue 5-speed V6 4-wheel drive Yoda with 102,000 miles on it, and boy is it a beauty. Can't wait to see where this one goes. Thanks for watching this video.